Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore time, but not the time you think you know. You probably imagine it as a river flowing from the past, through the present, into the future. You look at your watch or feel yourself getting older and assume that's time itself. But here's the truth. What you feel isn't time. It's just a biological trick of sensation created by your brain. Time is not a river. It does not push you anywhere. And counting seconds in your head? That tells you almost nothing about reality.
Try a simple experiment. Count to 60 in your head. 1, 2, 3. You think you're measuring time, but actually, you're running a mental program. Some people hear a voice in their head counting. Others see a mental tape measure ticking past. The difference is fascinating. Voice counters lose track if interrupted. Visual counters can multitask while keeping perfect time. This shows something fundamental. Time as we perceive it is a construct of our minds. It varies from person to person. It is not a universal constant. It's a mental pattern. Now, let's leave perception behind and look at physics. Question: what is time? Answer: time is a way to order events. That's it. Think of a deck of cards. Jack, Queen, King. The cards aren't moving. The table isn't flowing. The order exists. Time is like the table. Events are like the cards. When we say time passes, we are just reading the order of events. Time is not a container. It does not exist independently of the universe. If nothing changed in the universe, no atoms, no light, then time would have no meaning. Einstein showed that time is flexible, not fixed. You are always moving through the universe at a constant speed. Sitting still equals maximum motion through time. Moving through space equals less motion through time. Clocks slow down, aging slows. Example: if you could travel at the speed of light, your motion would be entirely through space. Time would stop from your perspective. A photon experiences no passage of time. Even small speeds affect time. Slightly, satellites experience tiny differences in clock rates. And we must correct for this in GPS systems. Why does time seem to flow in one direction? Entropy. Nature moves from order disorder. Breaking an egg, countless ways to break, only one way to be whole. The universe shuffles the deck constantly. Our brain senses this increase in disorder as the arrow of time. Past equals less messy. Future equals more messy. Without entropy, we wouldn't feel time passing at all. Modern physics suggests past, present, and future exist simultaneously. Imagine a movie reel. You watch it frame by frame. Holding the reel in your hand, beginning and end exist at the same time. Only your consciousness moves along the frames. Time isn't a flow, it's a dimension, like space. Your brain interprets events in sequence, but the universe itself is static. Time depends on motion and perspective. Two light flashes far apart. Standing observer sees them together. Moving spaceship sees one flash before the other. Both are correct. There is no universal now. Past and future depend on your reference frame. Time is flexible. Events can reorder depending on motion. This breaks our intuition, but it is the reality of space-time. Time doesn't act like a force. Milk spoiling, entropy, bacteria, chemical reactions. Time is a ruler, not a worker. Even in a static block universe, the patterns inside it follow rules. Future exists, but cannot skip the steps. You are not a passenger in time. You are the process. Consciousness moves along the sequence of events. Understanding physics gives a superpower. See time as a dimension. See how black holes stop time. See how gravity bends space-time.